Hi guys, in this video we will present to you GoPro CineForm Studio 1.3.2. What is GoPro CineForm Studio? GoPro CineForm Studio is free software developed by Woodman Labs which will offer the user a lot of tools to choose from to edit different GoPro videos and also pictures. It will provide the users the possibility to make use of some professional tools to edit and also convert the photos. GoPro CineForm Studio is an excellent choice for a user who already has a GoPro camera and wants to edit the pictures or the videos he makes with it. The software can help you in making different YouTube movies and also add effects to your videos. It will automatically import the GoPro media and it will also play back your GoPro videos and also view different photos that you will make with this device. Thanks to the highlight tags, it will be possible to quickly find your best clips for more convenient playback and also editing. You can create some easy GoPro style videos while trimming, editing and mixing the videos. It will also offer you the slow motion and fast motion speed changes so you can make some exclusive videos. You can edit the videos in choosing the templates you want and also do other things such as adding the music you want. Visit our site in description and get more info about GoPro CineForm Studio.